Ronnie here from Faithful Donut Productions, and today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to get free ringtones. So, what I basically did is I went into my iTunes right here, and I just found a song that I wanted as a ringtone, and so I just dragged it out, and here it is. It's a TI song. So the next thing I did is I opened up an audio editor program called WavePad. I'll put a link in the sidebar to download it, and I just dragged it right here. And basically from here, all I did is I just did that, copied the first like 30 seconds of it, said copy to new, and saved it. And this is what I got from it. So to actually get it on your cell phone, what you're going to have to do is open up your Internet Explorer. So that's what I'm doing. Next thing you got to do is go to your email. So mine's Gmail. And then you're going to want to go to compose message. And then where it says to send the message to, all you do is you type in your cell phone number. I don't know what yours would be. If you have Verizon, it'd be your number at vzwpix.com. I don't know what it is. If you have T-Mobile, AT&T, or anything like that. I'm just gonna say the subject as free ringtone, and then I'm gonna attach a file. Go to my desktop. Free ringtone, and then I'm just going to click send, and it is sending, and my phone should be receiving it. So I'll switch back to the phone right. Alright, so this is my cell phone right here. As you can see, it says one new message, so I flip that open. It says one new message from my email, view now, and it just says,
bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth. Bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
So I don't know if this worked for any other phones. This will work for Verizon phones. I don't know about T-Mobile or anything like that. But for Verizon, all you're gonna do is go down to save sound, and then for me it's free ringtone. And I'm just going to click OK. Here we go, sound saved. And then I've done this a lot of times. So I have all these free ringtones, like the one I just got.
Bring 'em out, bring 'em out, bring 'em out.
Another one here.
My life be like.
This one, yeah, as you can see, it says ass cheeks, but basically this is what it is.
I got ass cheeks on my white tee.
Not really gonna play that for you. Here's another one. Those are just random stuff. Random. Here's another one. Here's another one. Not that. Here's another one. And that's just random stuff. Random stuff. This is the only ringtone I actually ever bought. And then here's ass cheeks again. But yeah. So that was basically a free way to get ringtones for tutorial for free. Thanks for watching. Bye.